Hey everyone, and welcome back. You guys know I love digging into all the newest health tech. And today we've got one that is super interesting.
Yeah.
Finch Q. Have you heard of it?
I have.
So it's this brand new health and wellness app.
Okay.
But here's the thing.
What's that?
It's only for Apple Watch.
Interesting.
I know probably a lot of you have seen maybe some headlines or some FAQs.
Yeah.
But we are going to go way deeper than that today.
Love that.
To unpack what makes Finch Q tick and why it might be a good fit for your health journey.
For sure. So what really stands out to me right off the bat is that Finch Q goes beyond just tracking, you know?
Right.
It takes the data from your Apple Watch and makes these educated assumptions about your health.
Oh, great.
So it's not just like, this is what you did.
Yeah.
It's like anticipating what you need.
That's wild.
Yeah.
It's like having a little health detective.
Yeah.
Right there on your wrist in the
totally.
background, just working away.
Uh-huh.
And I think that proactive approach is really intriguing, especially for someone like you.
Oh, for sure.
Who, loves being efficient.
Yeah.
And loves getting the most out of their tech.
Absolutely. Like, I don't just want to see, the steps I took and how I slept.
Mm-hmm.
I want something that's actually going to help me improve my well-being,
Okay.
Maybe get ahead of potential health issues, even prevent falls.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
Hold on. It can predict falls.
Yeah.
Okay, I have to hear more about this. This
Wow.
is like way beyond those,
Totally.
fall alert pendants that you see.
Exactly. It's a totally different approach.
Right.
It's like, those other systems are reactive.
Right.
Meaning they only work after a fall has already happened.
Oh, I see.
But Finch Q, this is designed to be proactive.
Got it.
It analyzes your data to try and figure out,
Wow.
the risk factors before anything even happens.
Yeah, it is really cool.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
okay, let's say someone's listening
Yeah.
and they are like, I need to try this. What Apple Watches are compatible?
Good news.
Yep.
Any Apple Watch that can get the latest watchOS updates, you're good to go.
Okay.
And you don't even have to personally have an iPhone to use it.
What?
Yeah. You can have a family member set up the Apple Watch for you,
Oh, wow.
and they even have a family subscription.
Okay.
So you can share Finch Q with up to 5 family members.
That's great.
Yeah, so it makes it accessible to a lot more people.
Okay, so we're sharing with family.
Uh-huh.
We're predicting falls.
Mm-hmm.
This is a lot of features.
It is.
I know what everyone's thinking.
What's that?
How much does it cost?
Okay, good news.
Okay,
The Finch Q app is totally free to download and use.
nice.
They do have in-app purchases for a premium and a family subscription.
Mm-hmm.
Those unlock some, more advanced features,
Yeah.
like deeper health analytics and stuff like that.
Got it.
But you can try it out without spending any money.
Free to try. I
Yeah.
love that.
Yes.
So you mentioned teams earlier, and I'm a little curious about that.
Okay.
What are teams exactly?
Basically, think of them as custom groups within the app
Okay.
where you can share your health information
Got it.
securely with different people.
Okay.
So maybe you have like a doctor team to share reports with your doctor, or
Yeah.
a family team to keep your loved ones in the loop.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah, we'll go into more detail about the different types of teams later on.
But before we move on, we have to talk about data privacy
Of course.
because, people are giving this app some pretty sensitive information.
Absolutely.
So what is Finch Q doing to make sure the data stays private?
Well, Finch Q is actually built entirely on the Apple platform.
Okay.
So it has all those robust privacy features that Apple is known for.
Right.
Your data is stored securely in your personal iCloud.
Okay.
So you have control over it.
Got it.
You're not sharing it with any third parties unless you choose to.
I like that.
Yeah.
So Finch Q is gathering all this data,
Mm-hmm.
but how does it actually communicate it back to the user?
Well, you can get into all the details in the charts and reports,
Right.
but they also have this really cool feature called the Finch score.
Finch score.
Yes.
Okay, tell me more.
It's like a credit score for your health.
Okay.
So it takes all your data, compares your health to your past,
Okay.
factors in things like your age and gender, and gives you a number.
Okay.
So it's between 0 and 100.
So like a quick snapshot of
Yeah.
how you're doing.
Uh-huh.
I have to ask, what if you have, a cheat day or a late night out?
Sure.
Does that mess up your score?
It's not going to throw it off completely.
Okay.
Small changes are normal.
Right.
What's cool is it doesn't just give you a number and then leave you hanging.
Right.
If your score dips, it'll tell you why
Oh,
and then give you suggestions.
so it's not like punishing you for having a piece of cake.
No, not at all.
It's giving you context and guidance
Exactly.
to make better choices.
Yeah.
I love that.
It's more about empowering you.
It really does seem like a powerful tool to take control of your well-being.
Yeah, I think so.
I am totally hooked. And that's just the beginning.
Yeah.
Stay with us as we continue our deep dive into Finch Q.
Sounds good.
We're going to be talking about even more features and benefits.
Okay.
So you can figure out if this is the right fit for you.
Cool.
I'll be right back.
Great. Welcome back.
So before we move on, I did want to circle back to something we talked about earlier.
Okay.
Which is that Finch Q can integrate with the Apple Health app.
Yes, it's not just using data from your Apple Watch.
Right.
It can pull in information from other health apps and devices you might be using too.
Like what kind of things?
Oh, think about your smart scale,
Oh, yeah.
your sleep trackers,
Okay.
even just like your regular fitness apps.
Wow, so it's really getting the whole picture.
Exactly. It's getting this really comprehensive picture of your daily habits and your overall health.
So instead of having all these separate apps that are tracking things,
Right.
it brings it all together.
It's all in one place.
Okay, and then what happens?
Well, that's when the magic happens.
Right.
Remember how we talked about the Finch score? Well, that's just one part of it.
Okay.
When it combines all of this data from different places,
Right.
its analytical engine can make these really detailed reports and give you personalized insights.
So it's making these predictions based on...
Yes, based on your patterns and trends.
Okay, give me an example. What kind of things can it predict?
Let's say your activity levels have been really low for a while,
Okay.
and your sleep's all over the place.
Mhm.
Finch Q might be like, looks like you're at risk for fatigue or mood swings.
Okay.
And it might suggest that you try to get more rest.
Got it.
Or maybe you should add some light exercise to your routine.
So it's not just pointing out the problem, it's actually offering you solutions.
Exactly. And because it's always learning from your data,
Right.
the predictions and recommendations get more personalized as you use it.
That's really cool.
Yeah,
So it's like having a virtual health coach,
I think so.
just on your wrist, like you said. Okay, so let's talk about sharing this information.
Sure.
We mentioned Teams
Yes.
earlier, but how does that all work?
So the Teams feature lets you decide who sees what.
Okay.
And there are different types of teams
Mm,
depending on who you're sharing with and how much you want them to see.
okay.
So we talked about the doctor teams,
Right.
which is where you can share your detailed reports
Mhm.
with your healthcare provider.
Okay, so that's for the serious stuff.
Right.
What about sharing with family or friends?
You can also create a personal team.
Okay.
And this lets you share your Finch score,
Okay.
but not all the nitty-gritty details,
So no more awkward conversations with your mom about your sleep habits.
unless you want to have them.
Exactly.
But here's what's even cooler.
What that?
Teams isn't just about sharing the data.
Okay.
It's about communication and working together.
Oh, okay.
So let's say you're managing a chronic condition. You can share your data with your doctor through Finch Q,
Okay.
and they can give you feedback or even change your treatment plan based on that.
So it's like improving the whole healthcare experience.
It can really streamline things and make sure everyone is on the same page.
That's really great.
Yeah.
Okay, but let's be real.
Okay.
Not everyone is super tech savvy.
Sure.
Is this app user-friendly enough for anyone to use?
You know what? That was one of the things that really impressed me about it.
Okay.
It's incredibly easy to use.
Oh, wow.
The interface is really clean,
Mm-hmm.
and it guides you through everything.
Right.
You don't need to be a tech expert to figure it out.
I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, last question.
All right.
We all know how annoying notifications can be.
Right.
Is Finch Q going to be buzzing and beeping at me all day?
No. Finch Q is really good about that.
Okay.
It gives you a lot of control.
Mm-hmm.
You choose what alerts you get and how you get them.
Perfect.
So maybe you want a gentle buzz on your wrist when your heart rate's high. Or you can set it up to give you a more noticeable alert if you've been inactive for a while.
So you really get to tailor the experience to you.
Exactly.
I love that.
Yeah.
So we've talked about data integration.
Mm-hmm.
We've talked about predictions.
Mm-hmm.
We've talked about the teams.
Yes.
We talked about user-friendliness.
Yeah.
But I want to step back for a second
Okay.
and look at the bigger picture.
Sure. What are you thinking?
We're not just talking about an app here.
Right.
We're talking about a totally new way to think about healthcare.
It's really a shift
Right.
from reactive care to proactive well-being.
Imagine that.
Imagine a world where people are actually engaged in their health,
Yeah.
and they have all this data and personalized insights.
And doctors have a better understanding of their patients' lives.
Right. It could really change things.
That sounds like a really amazing future.
It does,
But I'm sure there are also some challenges.
of course.
What kind of things are we talking about?
Well, data security and privacy have to be top priorities.
That's true. We need to protect that information and use it responsibly.
All right.
And there's also the risk that people might misinterpret the data
Mm-hmm.
or rely too much on technology.
Right. It's about finding that balance
Yeah.
between empowering people and still valuing the expertise of healthcare professionals.
I think so. It's definitely a complex landscape.
But it seems like one with a lot of promise.
Yeah, I agree.
But I think that's something we can explore more in the next part of our deep dive.
Definitely we'll look more closely at the Finch score
Okay.
and the different team types.
And I think we should talk about the potential impact of Finch Q on the future of healthcare.
Sounds good to me.
Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
All right, so welcome back to the final part
Okay.
of our deep dive into Finch Q.
Cool.
I'm so excited to unpack these more nuanced features.
Mm-hmm.
Like, we talked about the Finch score
Mm-hmm.
and the different team types.
Yes.
Let's start with the Finch score.
Oh, hey.
Okay, so tell me.
It's not just a random number. It's calculated with this really complicated algorithm.
Okay.
It takes in tons of factors.
Like what?
We're talking your activity levels, your sleep,
Mm-hmm.
heart rate variability,
Wow.
even weight trends.
Oh, wow.
It really tries to give you, like,
Right.
the big picture.
A holistic view
Exactly.
of your health, not just like,
Right, not just one thing.
one or two metrics.
Yeah,
That's really impressive.
yeah.
But I think people are going to want to know,
Mhm.
like, how do I compare to other people?
Yeah.
Can I see a ranking?
Actually, Finch Q is really good about this.
Okay.
They don't do comparisons.
Interesting.
It's all about focusing on your progress over time.
I see.
It's like your unique journey,
Right.
not how you stack up against someone else.
So it's really about self-improvement.
Exactly. It's about understanding what your body needs.
Okay, I love that.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the teams.
Okay.
We talked about this before,
Right.
but tell me more about the different types.
All right. So there are 4 main types.
Okay.
We talked about doctor teams for sharing those detailed reports with your healthcare provider.
Right.
And the Finch score teams, where you can share just the score,
Right.
maybe with your family or friends.
Okay, so those are kind of the more serious ones.
Yeah.
What about the other two?
So there are also fitness teams.
Okay.
These are perfect for sharing, like, workout stuff,
Body.
staying motivated with your friends.
Oh, cool.
And then there's the personal teams.
Okay.
And these are totally customizable.
Oh, nice.
So you can share anything you want with whoever you
So
want.
your spouse,
Yeah,
your sibling, your best friend.
exactly.
So it's all about giving you control.
Yeah. You choose what you want to share.
I really like that.
Yeah.
We talked about how Finch Q can be helpful for individuals managing their health. But what about the bigger picture,
What do you mean?
like the healthcare system as a whole?
Oh, yeah.
Could this type of technology really change things?
I think it definitely could.
In what way?
Imagine a world where people are more involved in their own health.
Right.
They have data, they have personalized insights.
And doctors have all this information too.
Right. It could help them make better decisions about treatment.
That sounds pretty amazing,
Yeah.
but I'm sure there are some challenges.
Of course, there are always challenges with new technology.
Like what?
Well, data security and privacy have to be super important. We have to make sure that information is protected.
Right.
And then there's always the risk of people misinterpreting the data.
Right. Or maybe relying too much on technology.
Right, exactly. It's about finding that balance.
Right. Between empowering people and still valuing the doctor's expertise.
Absolutely. It's complicated.
It is, but it seems like it has a lot of potential.
I think so, too.
So as we wrap up our deep dive on Finch Q,
Okay.
what are your final thoughts?
I am honestly really impressed with Finch Q.
Right.
It's not just tracking data.
Right.
It's about empowering people,
Mhm.
educating them and connecting them.
Right.
I really think it could change how we think about health.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what happens.
It is. For everyone listening, we encourage you to check out Finch Q.
Yes, definitely.
See how it might fit into your health journey.
See if it's right for you.
And remember, knowledge is power.
Mm-hmm.
The more we understand about our own health,
Yes,
the better choices we can make
exactly.
and live our best lives.
Absolutely.
Well, that's it for today's deep dive.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for joining us,
It was fun.
and we'll see you next time.
See you later